In front of me is Wieppo S5, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate touch sounds on the following device. So as you can hear, currently it is active, so you can hear each of my taps. Anytime I'm touching anything, you can hear the click. But if you'd like to turn it off, or once it is muted, if you'd like to turn it on, just open the settings, then find and select sound right here, and go to other sounds. Now locate touch sounds right here and smoothly turn it off. From now on, it will be muted. So this is it. This is how you can do it, how you can activate or deactivate touch sounds. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.